You are going to love the 2018 Model X. The Tesla Model X offers a sleek exterior design that's sure to get people talking. It also provides the perfect combination of utility and performance. The Tesla Model X takes electric cars to a whole new level and is priced below $80,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual moonroof, tow hitch, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, rain-sensing wipers, fog lamps. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.